anyway guys, may requested song sa akin dito. So, Sir Pangit, no, antabay lang, ida-download po natin yan. So anyway, ito mo ng next song ko. At gusto kong i-dedicate ng kantang to kay Michelle. Cirillo Toral ba? Para ko. Ayan, sana hindi na rin yung pinulong ko, no? So yan, so I remember the day. Nung bago pa lang kami. Nung naglolokohan pa kaming dalawa. Yung mga araw na nagkakaanuhan pa lang eh. Getting to know each other. Parang kanta lang So, ito po ay para sa iyo. Ayan, alam mo na to, di ba? Ito ata yung unang dinedicate ko sa iyo eh. Tama ba? Walang kamatayang yan. Paul McCrane, Is It Okay If I Call You Mine? So stay tuned for more music. Dito lang po sa United Radio. Wala pong aalis, ha? Ayan, seryoso daw si Michelle, ever since. So anong Tagalog ng ever since? Parang dumugo na naman yung ilaw ko. Ayan, so ito na po. Is It Okay If I Call You Mine? So stay tuned for more music. Wala pong alis. Dito lang po sa United Radio.
This is Reunited Radio. Is it okay if I call you mine? Just for a time. And I will be just fine. If I know that you know that I'm wanting to need your love. Oh, if I ask of you, is it alright? If I ask you to hold me tight through a cold, dark night, there may be a cloudy day in sight, and I need to let you know that I might be needing your love.
Mas